In the midst of an ongoing conversation about policing, children in crisis, and the resources to help, a conversation has reignited about programs called Community Violence Interrupters. The OGs Against Violence works on the ground to intervene before things get violent. And now we're learning more about that effort to achieve government funding for the very first time. CBS 5's Connor White is with the Live Eye in Syracuse right now.
It's an organization started by Clifford Ryan. He says that he has personally intervened to stop dozens of shootings and over 100 stabbings in the city of Syracuse. Now working with county legislators to get the funding to make OGs Against Violence a non-for-profit to be able to train others to join him on the street. Throughout Syracuse, you'll find OGs Against Violence signs. They're in the windows of businesses and homes, showing support for the organization's work to stop shootings, something Clifford Ryan has done for over 6 years on his own dime.
When you can stop an individual from pulling the trigger, you save lives.
Ryan wants to expand this work in talks with Onondaga County legislators since last fall, hoping to secure government funding for the first time.
We're going to have a full package to bring to the table as far as combating the gun violence.
In a March public safety meeting, legislators discussed providing OGs with $225,000, money that would go to salaries, training materials, equipment, and transportation.
If they can stop one shooting, the program basically pays for itself.
Dr. Jeffrey Butts is director of research at the John Jay College of Criminal Justice. He studies violence interruption programs like Cure Violence, the same ones legislators are using as a reference for what can happen locally. He says it's tricky to quantify how effective they are.
You're trying to reset the social norms in that community, which is a higher standard of evidence and hard to prove as a researcher. It's just a real challenge.
Dr. Butts notes Ryan's model, directly intervening when there's possible conflict, is unique.
The interrupters will be interacting with the people, and we know who the individuals are in our community that have problems.
Legislators still have questions about who will join Ryan at OGs. Democrat Charles Garland confident that's the final hurdle.
Once they have the answers to some of these questions, there's no reason they aren't able to move ahead with it.
There's no legislation actually written just yet, and it's not going to be an agenda item at least for the month of May. But Ryan and legislator Garland are hoping that this can be achieved over the summer. Reporting in Syracuse, I'm Connor White.